Hello Pluto class, how are you today? I hope it's still enthusiastic and amazing. Today we will still continue our topic about ecosystem. Last week you already know what is biotic and abiotic factors, and today we wanna learn about how do abiotic and biotic factors affect our organism. Yeah, you can open your textbook from page 112 until 117 ya. Jadi di situ semua akan dijelaskan mengenai satu-satunya bagaimana misalnya abiotic factor, as you know, contains like temperature, air, water, and then soil, and then biotic factor itu contain main, other organism, microorganism, plants and food. Yeah, so I will explain one by one, and I have two paper of this. This is for biotic factors and this is for abiotic factors. Yeah, let's check this paper. Okay, now we start from abiotic factor. As you can see, abiotic is light, temperature, soil, air, and water. Nah, how about light? Light, he is help organism for, ini khususnya yang plants for germination, photosynthesis, and then help human and animals to see. Okay, next we continue with temperature. Temperature itu affect activities of an animal ya. Berdasarkan temperature ini, living things difference into two, yaitu the first is warm blood animals is like mammals and then birds. Jadi mammals and birds ini bisa aktif hanya pada suhu rata-rata ya, atau in human we call it suhu kamar. And then cold blood animals is like reptile and fish. Reptil and fish ini bisa beraktivitas ketika suhu hangat, tetapi kalau misalnya suhunya sudah agak sedikit dingin, jadi animals ini lebih sedikit aktifnya. Next we continue with soil. Soil ini to support different kinds of plants and animal. As you know, we need soil to building our house ya. Jadi kalau tidak ada soil bagaimana? Nah, you can imagine by yourself. Next, air. Air. Plants and animals need oxygen for respiration, of course, and then plants need carbon dioxide for make food. Jadi air ini adalah benda gas. Di sini kita terbagi atas oksigen and carbon dioxide. Next, water. Water is to drink, to digestion, to photosynthesis, and then water is habitat for some plants and animal also ya. Jadi ada hewan yang tinggal di air. So that's all about abiotic factors. And now we continue with biotic factors ya. Ini faktor yang hidup, yang berasal dari makhluk hidup. The first we start with man. Nah, ini salah satu example-nya. When people cut down trees, animals that depend on the trees for food and shelter will die. Jadi kalau kita potong pohon, potong hutan sembarangan, hewan yang hidup di pohon dan memakan tumbuhan itu akan mati. Nah, jadi bagaimana manusia yang memakan hewan tersebut? Nah, akan mati juga. Jadi itu pengaruhnya terhadap kehidupan. Next, we continue with other organism. Itu like aphids, like tiny insect. Aphids ini adalah sejenis serangga penghisap. Dia feed on the sap on young shoot. They damage plants by spreading plants disease ya. Jadi karena dia menghisap bagian tanaman, dia akan menghasilkan atau memberikan penyakit juga bagi tanaman tersebut. Next we continue with plants. Plants ini have to compete with other plants karena plants sangat banyak di bumi. Jadi mereka harus berkompetisi for sunlight, water, and mineral salt from the soil. Next, microorganism. Nah ini sometimes population of plants and animals can be wiped out ya. Jadi microorganism ini bisa menyebabkan penyakit yang mengakibatkan animals and plants itu hilang, bahkan human also. Next, the last is food's ability. Itu terbagi atas tiga. Ada producer. Producer is can make own food like plants ya, karena dia berfotosintesis menghasilkan makanannya sendiri. Next, ada consumer, itu cannot make own food like animals and man, human ya. Nah, kenapa kita disebut consumer padahal kita bisa memasak, Miss? Karena kita memerlukan bahan-bahan seperti sayur kan berasal dari tumbuhan, daging berasal dari hewan, jadi kita disebut dengan consumer. And the last is predators, itu animals that hunt and kill other animals for food, like lion, crocodile, and the others. Okay, you already know and I hope you can understand. Now, please write on your notebook about this, draw like this, and about abiotic factornya also. And then please collect your notebook on next Friday. Okay, thank you for today. Bye. God bless you.